The Neobuds Pro is Edifier's flagship wireless earbuds, so one must expect that this is packed with the good stuff: high-res audio, active noise cancellation, low latency game mode, 3 mics, IP54, and many others. Hi guys, my name is Jay and we are here to check these wireless earbuds today. What are we waiting for? Let's do this! The Neobuds Pro follows a design very similar to the Apple AirPods. I always find the Apple AirPods design a little bit weird because of that long stem. However, in this case, for this wireless earbuds, I actually like it. I like that it has sharp edges, I like that it looks a little bit more rugged, and I like the fact that it looks like a little bit more futuristic. Edifier is also gracious with providing all this extra pair of tips so that you can find the pair that perfectly fits your ears. No matter what extra features any wireless buds or any wireless headphones have, audio performance is still top priority for me. I have been using the Neobuds Pro for quite a while now. In fact, this has been my daily driver for the past few weeks. And what I can say is that I enjoy listening to my favorite music, favorite songs, favorite podcasts, favorite playlists using these wireless buds. The bass is punchy, the mid-range is a bit scooped but still in a good range, and the treble doesn't bleed that it gets irritating to your ears. Overall, this produces a well-balanced sound. The Neobuds Pro is just one of the few wireless buds that has a high-res audio certification. It can support streaming wireless music using either the LDAC or LHDC codec that can give you a better sonic experience than the typical wireless Bluetooth codecs. But don't worry, even with just the typical audio codecs, you should still be able to have a solid listening experience using these buds. The Neobuds Pro can easily be paired to your smartphones or to your tablets or to your laptops. You can do it by using either the Edifier Connect app or just directly pair it using the Bluetooth settings in your devices. Now, when it comes to whether I'm getting some cut audio or sounds or some intermittent connections using these wireless buds, I rarely get it. And if I do, I think it's mostly because of my phone more than the wireless buds itself. Now, when it comes to using the high-res audio codecs, now that happens more often when I'm using that, but when I'm using just the normal codecs or the typical audio codecs, I rarely get any audio disconnection using these wireless buds. If it is the flagship wireless buds of any company, it has to have a good active noise cancellation. And the Neobuds Pro does not disappoint. I have used this in my daily commute and it has been really good in isolating the audio from the sound of the bus and or the train. I have also used this in one of my flights, and all I can say is that I am really satisfied with the active noise cancellation performance of these wireless buds. The active noise cancellation has 4 modes. You have off, ambient noise, low ANC, and high ANC. You can select what active noise cancellation mode you want using the Edifier Connect app. Is the active noise cancellation Sony WH-XM4 good? Well, no. But you have to remember, this is at a different pricing point, and at the pricing point that these buds are in, this is probably one of the best buds that you can get when it comes to active noise cancellation. Some of the wireless buds that I have used before always give me problems when it comes to using them for calls. However, with the Neobuds Pro, I've never had that issue. It uses 3 mics and that allows it to have clear audio for calls, and you can use it for calls whether be it normal call, Wi-Fi call, or any of those video conferencing apps like Zoom, WebEx, or Teams. I've never had any issues wherein I will be told that they cannot hear me well or that my audio is bad. And that is a big plus for these wireless buds. One of the features that will probably attract gamers to buy these wireless buds is the low latency gaming mode. It is supposed to make sure that the latency between the audio and the video while you're gaming are as low as possible. Edifier is saying it can be as low as 80 milliseconds. Now, I've tried it, I've used it, but to be honest, I didn't really feel too much of a difference. So I'm gonna say, don't let that be the major reason why you are gonna get these wireless buds. But of course, you can always try it. You can select the controls and change some settings on these wireless buds using its dedicated app called Edifier Connect app, and that is available on both iOS and Android devices. With the app, you can control the EQ settings, the active noise cancellation options, the tap settings, and the codec that you want to use for your listening. Really impressed that at this price point, this wireless buds has an app dedicated for it. When it comes to the battery life, I consistently get around 4 to 5 hours of continuous use, and that is depending on whether I'm using the active noise cancellation or not, and also whether I am using the high-res audio codecs or not. I'm more used to around 6 hours minimum of continuous use based on my other wireless buds. So that's probably something that Edifier can work on, maybe on a later generation, to improve the battery life of the buds itself. Now, when you run out of charge, you can get 16 hours charge extra coming from the case itself. Charging time will be around 10 minutes of charging. Will give you an hour of listening time already, so that's actually a very good feature to have that quick charge. But now when it comes to fully charging both the buds and the case itself, so the buds will need around an hour of charging, and then the case itself will also need an hour of charging as well. So this is the case, and can we just all agree that this is probably one of the best case there is for a wireless buds? Just look at that. Look at that blinking LED. Maybe those that designed these buds are fans of Knight Rider. I don't know. Alright, so what do I think of the Neobuds Pro from Edifier? I am blown away by this wireless buds. I think this is one of the wireless buds that you can get at the pricing point that it is in right now. This is definitely value for money. Anyway, what do you think of this wireless buds? Let me know in the comment section below, and please, if you like this video, give it a like, and if you don't, give it a dislike. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.